Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by clearing the area under the sink and closing nearby water valves if accessible. This prevents surprises. Once done, crouch with a flashlight and find the pivot rod and retaining nut behind the tailpiece. Make sure to inspect the pop-up linkage and note how the lift rod connects to the pivot. Remove any debris and position a bucket beneath the tailpiece. Now loosen the retaining nut just enough to free the pivot rod. Don't fully detach it yet. You want control. Next, guide the pivot rod into the tailpiece hole so the stopper's clevis slot engages the rod. You might need to lift the stopper slightly while maneuvering. Once engaged, position the clevis so its pin hole lines up with the lift rod. Insert the clevis pin or clip and crimp it closed with pliers if required. After that, gently tighten the retaining nut until snug. Avoid over-tightening. Test the lift rod action repeatedly to confirm smooth travel. Finish by running water and observing the tailpiece and retaining nut for leaks. If you see seepage, tighten a quarter turn or add thread sealant. Make sure the stopper opens fully and seals tightly. Remove any slack in the clevis by shifting its position to a tighter hole and rechecking motion. If the stopper binds or won't seal, clean mineral buildup around the pivot and inside the stopper. Replace worn clips, the pivot rod, or the pop-up assembly if parts are damaged to restore reliable function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.